Monoprice, known for its no-nonsense, low-cost tech products, is coming to smart homes. The company is about to launch a range of smart home sensors and gadgets. It's going to be using the Stitch brand name for 6 products. 2 of them are actually already on sale. The remaining 4 are coming in July or August. They're all controlled through an app called Simple Home, and they're compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. And because they work over Wi-Fi, no smart home hub is required. These are the 2 that are already available. There's an LED light bulb and a smart plug with energy monitoring for appliances up to 1800 watts. It can provide you with daily, monthly and real-time data, and it costs just $20. That's pretty good. The light bulb costs $19. And here are the rest. One is a door sensor, there's a motion and vibration sensor, a flood sensor, and also a wall socket that includes USB sockets. That is the stuff that's coming in the middle of this year. We had a quick look at them last week, and TechHive will be following their launch, and we hope to test them out as soon as they're available.